Here I've got Huawei Honor View 20 and let me show you how to block a number, how to block a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then tap on more icon, which is 3.1 in upper corner, and then click on blocked. Now if you would like to set some call block rules or message block rules, simply click on the icon and then you can block all incoming calls just by tapping on the switcher. Then you can block all the strangers by tapping over here, or you can block unknown and hidden numbers. Obviously you can pick both of those options, and if you will pick the first one, they will be automatically activated as well. So let's go back. Here, if you will pick message block rules, you can block all the strangers. So you will not receive any messages from strangers, from unknown numbers. Then if you will tap on the settings over here, you can also add some number by tapping on Blacklist, tap on add, and here you can either add manually some number, just click over here and now enter some number by typing it, tap on OK to add this number to your blacklist. Then you can also match prefix, add from contacts, add from call log, and also add from messages. So just pick the option that you need and then block the number that is annoying you. So that's it. This is how you can block the contact, block the number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.